What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be separating the intake cooling system from the main radiator. This will result in lower intake temperatures. I'm also gonna be adding this reservoir. It's gonna be going right here. I've already got most of the work done, as you can see. So this is where the water pump is gonna go. I'm also going to be using a different water pump. It's a lot better than the stock one. This is the stock one. So I don't know if you can see, but I've already got this hose disconnected. This here comes from the main radiator. Alright, so I got the first bracket holding the tank. I'm put another one right here. Alright, so we got the hose connected. Now I'm going to connect this hose from here to here, and then from here to here, and that should be it. Alright, so we got the second hose connected. Now all we need is this one going into here, and then the water pump right here. So the second one ended up being shorter. I'm gonna have to get a larger one to fit it right here on the bottom, like the stock one. But yeah, this is how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm finally done making some adjustments. Now all I need is the hose, the bigger hose that goes from here to here, so I can put it right where the stock one was. So it's coming in tomorrow, as well as the custom air intake that I'm gonna be making, and hopefully I get these intake temperatures dropped by a little bit, not only with the water pump, but also having its own reservoir and not being connected by the main radiator. So this is how the new cooling system works. This pump has a lot of pressure. Alright guys, so like I said, once I get the intake, I'm gonna be making a video, and I really can't wait to hear the supercharger with the new intake that I'm gonna be getting. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.